So some tokens are showing a bit of a recovery today. I mean, look, Cake's up by 34%. BNX is up 41%. Great time to have a trading robot with these particular tokens. And if we zip over to Bitcoin, we're in a sort of a wedge that's going upwards. We have broke down below it a few times. Are we going to see a downtrend? Is this the time to short Bitcoin? Is this the time to set up a grid bot and put some lower prices in that grid so that you pick up some cheap Bitcoin? Something's been trending on X, and I want to show you. Some big whale has entered into a short for Bitcoin. So you can see there's got a Bitcoin short. He's also got a Melania long. I'll leave the link to this below this video so you can check it out for yourself. But this guy, just look at the size of the value of this trade. $430 million. Absolutely mind-blowing. And at the moment, got a P&L of $1,692,000. Now, he's shorting the market, so he's saying that the price of Bitcoin is going to go down. So does he know something that we don't? Is Trump going to come out and say something? This wallet is worth taking a look at. You can track it because it's all on the blockchain. He's entered into a short, and his liquidation price is $86,000. So if Bitcoin goes up to $86,000, currently we're sitting around $83,000. So $3,000, and this guy gets liquidated. He loses all his money. Does he know something that we don't? And he's not expecting Bitcoin to pump in the short term, and he's expecting it to go down in price so that he can earn from his short. He only needs $3,000, and this guy is going to get liquidated. Now, let's say that this guy does know something and the Bitcoin is going to be dropping down. Already his profits are up to just under $3 million. So Bitcoin is dropping as we speak. You could set up a hedge and maybe mirror a little bit what he's doing by using Jonny Blockchain. And I'll just show you how to do that. So once you've created your Jonny Blockchain account and you come over to the robot section, there's two types of robots that you could set up here. You could set up a spot trading robot or a grid bot. Now, let's say you wanted to set up a spot one. I'll show you that quickly. We'll click on this plus sign. We'll choose BTC from the drop down, and I'm going to do Tether. Now, one thing I've just had a notice come in that Binance have announced 0 trading fees until September. I'm going to let my programmer know that Binance has got that 0% trading fee. So there's some big profits going to be made just from the fees alone if you're setting up a Binance one. If you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, either on PancakeSwap or Aerodrome on the base network, you can do that as well. But we're choosing Bitcoin, and then I'm going to put it on expert mode. And it's not the take profits that I'm interested in. What I'm interested in is when is it going to buy this first trade? I want to pick up some cheap Bitcoin if this guy knows something that I don't. Look at that. While we're speaking here, his trade now is in profit of 2.5 million. So what I want to do is look at the price of Bitcoin now. Is it going to go down to 79,000, 76,000? We're at 83,500 now. So we're at 83,000 if I use this percentage calculator. Let's say that I think it's going to go down to 79,000. That's a drop of 4.8%. So what I could do with my spot trading bot is put this as a minus 4.8. That means that this robot won't buy Bitcoin until the price drops by that much. If it doesn't get down there, then that doesn't matter. It's not going to use my funds. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this to $1,000 because I want it to buy in if it gets down that 4.8%. And I'm just going to do a single run on this because I want it to buy in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my take profits trigger to 10%. I'm just going to set that for 10%. I could come in and monitor this trade, but I'm just going to set this trade up with one lot that it buys that lot 0. And if the price drops down by 4.8%, it's going to buy me $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So I'm going to get that nice and cheap. So I'm just going to save that and I'm going to switch that bot on. And now if I want to do a grid bot, I come over to the GridBot section. Again, click on the plus sign. Choose Bitcoin from the drop-down menu. Now, this GridBot only runs on decentralized exchanges. And again, what I could do is I come down in the grid and put the upper price, say, at 83,000 is what it is now. And maybe this lower price, I'll go in at 75,000. So what I could do here is I could set the amount that I want to trade here, how many grids I want, and then just click on save. Now I need to transfer some funds before I set this GridBot up because I don't have enough funds to cover this trade. So I'm going to be transferring some funds over and setting myself up a GridBot. So does this guy know something we don't? Is the price of Bitcoin going to drop down even further? I don't know. This guy's already made 22,000 on his long on this hype coin here. Let's have a look at how that's doing. That's hyper liquid. At the moment, it's only got a 2.9% up. So maybe this is the token to trade as well, because he's got a long in on that one and he's got a long in on Melania. The Melania one, he's already down in profit of $2,500. I mean, this Bitcoin one, he's got a 40x leverage on that. The hype one, he's got a 3x leverage. And then on Melania, he's got 5x leverage. Does this guy know something we don't? Watch this space. I'll leave the link to this below. And if you want to set up a trading robot, here's how to do it. Below this video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Jonny Blockchain. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. Going to bring you here, pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes, click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.